FC Jetboy Calviso. First up is for Keyboard. Mag-keyboard tumilang ng 3 sa gadagan. El Salvador of Habana.
Going guard.
Napakatangkat na si Salvador. Colindon, 10 seconds to shoot. Last ball, 5 seconds. Naagawan na ang bibigyan ni Soriano. Dire-diretso si Soriano. Bibigyan kay Mag-keyboard. 30 seconds shot clock. Mag-keyboard binigyan kay number 28 Mariano. 10 seconds to shoot. Oh, William followed in the back. Ang itatawag kay number 14. That is Salvador. Salvador, that is your first personal foul. And also the first team foul of Habana. Ooh, nagpapasa mo ng free throw ni Checo. Isa pa tuloy. There it is. That's it. 1 point for GST. 9 minutes and 10 seconds is your waiting time. 14 seconds shot clock. There is no corner, that is Spaniola. Spaniola fires no basket. Here is Makibo on Charos. Bibigyan dito. Cool. There is now for Habana. Espanyol plan. 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Tuburan ng 3. Binigay sa ball down. JSC. JSC Youth. WXYZ. Time down. 8 minutes and 32 seconds. With a trouble violation called by Red Flores Benji. So, chance ng Habana, wala pa silang putos, mga kaibigan. 8:30. Spaniola. Bibigyan dito kay Colindon. 10 seconds shot clock. Colindon, tira sa 3. Pentas down. 3-1. Lamang ng dalawa ang Espanola Plan. Valeriano against the right. Chip-chop. Here's Salvador. Bibigay dito kay Guevara. Ang tumangga kay Guevara. Ay! 14 seconds shot clock. Is that good? No, good. 5-1 is always good. We have another foul from number 12. Blocking foul. Illegal. Number 12 is. Number 12. 11. Calviso. First personal foul Calviso. Illegal. Illegal. Okay. 14 seconds shot clock. Guevara, bibigay kay Gabon. Gabon. 1-8, Maestre. First personal foul, Maestre. And second team fouls of Hebron, JSC. There is no again, there is a chance for JSC. There is no Hebron. 30 seconds shot clock. Tira, Maestre. The press. Rebound by Salvador. To Colindon. Tuloy-tuloy si Colindon. Inaharap ng Maestre. Pangudon. Colindon. Gabon! Ay! Sabay-sabay ang mga madlang people sa akin. Ay! Soriano. Ay! Bola na Habana. Ay, ang Habana. Here it is again for Colindon lang for 3. Maestre naman this time. To Bakido. 14-second shot clock. Soriano. Magito for 3. Oh, basket. Guevara, bumigay kay Okay, masyadong mataas ang pasa ni Guevara kay Colindon kaya napunta tuloy sa JSC ang bola. 6 minutes remaining time. Here's no against Soriano. Soriano to the keyboard. 14-second shot clock. Magkibon. 8 seconds. Yes, basket from Calizo. Chapoy. 5-3 is our score. Dalawa ang lamang ng Habana. 88 Espanola Juan. Guevara to Salvador. Salvador against Valeriano. Salvador, pinigil sa Salvador. Gandon. Chucha. Bang bang. 5 minutes and 17 seconds sa remaining time. Apat pa rin ang lamang ng Espanola Juan. Race now. Colindon, there's a chance again for Habana. Colindon to Guevara. Guevara ang bumagdak. Guevara, Espanola. Here is chance for JSC. Magkito, Barod Caldadon. Magkito, Bulagay, Baseline, Soriano. Chucha! Pang-pang. Second round, last score. Dalawa na lamang kalamangan ng Habana. 4 minutes and 32 seconds remaining time. Here is again Guevara. 14-second shot clock. Guevara layup, chucha, bang bang. 9-5 the line score. Fillmore, Espanola. Here is Jepoy, chucha, bang bang. 4 minutes and 2 seconds remaining time. 9-7. Still to put either of Habana. There is Guevara. 14 seconds to shoot. Guevara. 10 seconds. Colindon. To Gandon. Number 18. Gandon. Wala. Yung mga pa Soriano. Bibigay ka Maestro. Maestro now. Fire. 14. But this is Valeriano. 10 seconds shot clock. Here is Maestro. Chip-chop. Peng-pang. Labangan ng isa ang Hidon JSP Stainless. 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. First quarter, Guevara, shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. Espanola, bibigyan kay Colindon. Colindon against Valeriano. Topina. Yes, basket from Colindon, number 16. 11-10 is our score. Valeriano, bibigyan. Espanola, chucha, bang. Time. JSD, babalik ang ating first quarter. 2 minutes and 36 seconds, 13-10. Tatlo ang parin ng mga players ng Habana. 2 minutes, 36 seconds. Remaining time. There is no Alvarez to 14 seconds. Ay! Colindon. Ano ba yan? 2 minutes and 14 seconds remaining time. There is Guevara, followed by Alvarez. 14 second shot clock, Salvador. Number 14, Tolina. Ay! Sila kay Salvador ang 2 points. 15-10, lima na ang mga Barquesta, number 1, and that is 14 second shot clock. Maestre, papasok si Maestre, tumira. Calamizo again to Alvarez, 10 seconds to shoot. Basister, wow. Kabitaw ang timaho. There is now Guevara. 14 second shot clock. Ibarra against the sister. 10 seconds to shoot. Save ball. Substitution. Wala. 7 seconds shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot. Habana, 7 seconds. Run. Buhay ninyo. Gadols. Ref, pakitanggal na mga pitos na nandyan. Makikul na ka. Doon kami sa bawat stage. 4 seconds. 2. Ay, baka nga, hindi kami dyan sa... Right. Okay, 1 minute remaining time. Alvarez, 14 seconds to shoot. Here is again Alvarez, bibigyan ng Ibarra, 10 seconds. Here is now the traveling violation. Ang tinawag ni Ref Perocho Calvo. 44 seconds remaining time to finish the first quarter. Salvador! Binigyan ng foul sa Salvador. There is Alvarez to number 17. Basket Gadoles. Salvador, go, 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 go! To top, bang, bang! No shot clock. Only 15 seconds remaining time. Last 10 seconds, Alvarez. This is the last 5 seconds. Bahala kayo dyan. 3 points counted mula kay Basister Bachung.